Are you ready for Christmas? Do you have all gifts planned for your friends and family? Did you say no? You are missing something? No worries, because I have some ideas for you. If you are someone who likes to gift your friends and family with handmade products, this might interest you. Soothing salve for better breathing, bath bombs, or diffuser blend. You can use one essential oil blend for all three gifts. It's called Holiday Peace. It consists of Siberian, Douglas, and Himalayan fir, complemented by grapefruit, frankincense, and vetiver. Soothing blend can look like this. Just add few drops of Holiday Peace into this oily blend, stir it, apply it on your chest and on your back to support better breathing. And bath bombs can be created within minutes with only few ingredients. And let's not forget about small sample of Holiday Peace to add into the Christmas gift for your friend. You can find recipes for soothing salve or bath bombs above or below this video. And if you have great tips for Christmas gifts, share with us in the comment below.